Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time in reviewing this video on a low-hour, limited-use Harrison 21-inch swing by 64-inch between-centered machine. Serial number 501624-1447, and it happens to be our stock number 9589. This is a Harrison tool room lathe that has 21 inches over the bed and 64 inches between centers. The condition on this machine is absolutely wonderful. It looks and runs great, extremely limited use. It has inch and metric threading, plus we're including a Newall 2-axis digital readout that has just been newly installed. We'll go ahead and run through the specifications while we're running the machine. Go ahead, Frank, let's fire it up.
We're at
31 RPM. There's 18 spindle speeds on this machine, ranging from 31 to 1600 RPM.
That's 80.
How fast we running? 80 RPMs. This is a hard weigh machine.
That's
200 RPMs. I'd like to point out the condition of the cross slide, the condition of the waves. The waves up near the headstock looks absolutely fantastic. Harrison parts are still available, by the way. Harrison is now a division of Clausing out of Kalamazoo, Michigan. Please note how he's doing the pre-select on the RPM spindle change. 400 RPM, smooth and quiet. The machine comes complete with the 12-inch 4-jaw that's mounted on it. Has a 10-inch 3-jaw that's here on the ground. The machine also has a taper attachment. The only thing that's lacking is an owner. Newall 2-axis digital readout, Microson on the cross, Spindle on the longitudinal. It's a wet machine, it has coolant. 600 RPMs. So there's inch threading, metric threading, inch feeds, metric feeds. It has a 12.5 horse main drive motor. The overall weight is 6,000 RPMs. It's a hardened weigh machine with the Newall 2-axis DRO, the 10-inch 3-jaw, 12-inch 4-jaw, built-in chip pan, coolant, taper attachment. 1,000 RPM. Let me stand in front of it and I'll have you do some engagements. The tailstock taper is a number 5 Morse taper. It's a D18 spindle bore. And of course, being a D18, it has a 3 1/8 inch on the spindle hole. Very generous. Engagement of the cross slide. Very well laid out machine. net engagement.